everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are here for the first time, then hi. My name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and many more things. So guys, आज का जो video है, today I'm going to show how to do a basic brown smoky eye look. Since मुझे बहुत सारे request आए थे इस topic पे एक video बनाने के लिए कि आप एक नॉर्मल, एक प्रॉपर, एक बेसिक सा जो बिगिनर्स फ्रेंडली हो ऐसा एक ब्राउन स्मोकी आई कैसे करते हो. So let's begin with today's video, but don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin now. So guys, first I'm going to use Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer to moisturize my face. Next up I'm using Biotic Bio Berry Lip Balm. For primer I'm using Color Bar Perfect Match Prime Water. Now I'm using Lotus Pro Edit Glow Strobe Cream to give my base a dewy glow. Make sure to apply it all over your face very nicely. So now I'm using Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer Corrector Palette. So I'm using this orange shade to conceal out the darker areas on my face. Next up, using the green color corrector on all the red acne marks to cover it up. Next up, I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer on the color corrector so that I can mix it really well and the skin tone evens out. Make sure to smudge the concealer and color corrector really well so that the skin looks even. For foundation, I'm using Lakme 95 Primer Matte Foundation and the shade I'm in is Warm Creme. Applying it all over my face. Now I'm taking a flat brush and blending the foundation. Make sure to cover up the whole face and blend really well so there are no creases on the face. Now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 and concealing out on the dark circles under my eyes and on the some darker parts of my face. Make sure to blend it really well. Next up I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and baking it under my eyes, preparing it for my eye makeup. I'm using Nykaa eyebrow pencil to give my brows a bit shape. It has spoolie on one side and the brow pencil on the other side for the convenience. So guys, now I'm using Popexo Drama Queen eyeshadow palette. It's a very beautiful and pigmented palette with all the smoky shades. So first I'm taking a dark brown shade in a pencil brush and applying it on my lid. I am drawing a very thick line on my lid and smudging it out very gently on my lid. Now I'm taking the brown shade and the lighter shade from the palette and smudging it on all over my lid. Blending and building up the eyeshadow is the key for a good smoky eye look. I am building up the color from the palette on my eyes. This palette is really very nice. It has all the basic colors and it's very pocket friendly as well. Now I'm going to put my eyelashes. I'm using this eyelash from Amazon and this lash glue from Miss Claire. I'm putting up my lashes. Now I'm using Myglamm Twisted Mascara and brushing off all the excess product and applying gently over my lashes so the fake lashes and the normal lashes look absolutely similar. Next up, using the Wet n Wild White Kohl to just give my eyes a lifted look. Taking the dark brown shade from the same Popexo Beauty palette and smudging it all over my lower lash line. And now even applying mascara on the lower lashes. dusting off the excess bake that I put under my eyes using a big fluffy brush. Now my one eye is done, I'm doing the other eye as well. So you can see how beautifully the smoky eyes have turned out. Now using the Myglamm Chisel It Face Palette. So first I'm using this contour shade and contouring my face. Next up using this rosy pink color for my cheeks as a blush. Now using my favorite pose highlighter duo and adding the highlighters on the high point of my face, like my cheekbones, nose area, and even on the corners of my eyes. Using the Nykaa matte lipstick in the shade Your Latte for my lipstick. Mixing it with my favorite nude pink shade from Maybelline, which is the Touch of Spice. And see how beautiful this has turned out. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this look. It's a very easy and beautiful smoky eye look, and it's very easy as well. Let me know in the comment section below if you loved it, and do tag me if you recreate this look. All the buying options and links will be mentioned in the description box. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.